Welcome to my channel, Global Effect 1969. What I got for you today is this battery weed eater right here. This is a 40 volt horsepower brushless RYOBI weed eater. Carbon fiber shaft right here. It's a RYOBI Whisper weed eater. Well, you can see it's all dirty. But this is actually a pretty nice weed eater, man. It's crazy. I was surprised how good it worked. I'm not a fan of electric weed eater, but this sucker meets it's pretty good compared to gas weed eater, because I got the Steel FS56 RC weed eater. That's a pretty good weed eater, man. And I got another video before this or after this. I'll see when I publish it, but it'll be either before or after this. But I do the front sidewalk, all the sidewalk and everything, and I do each side with this weed eater right here, with this RYOBI. I'm all tired. I do each side with this RYOBI weed eater right here. I wasn't just I cut the whole yard and everything, and it's hot out here and very humid. It looks like it might rain. So I'm thinking of a different weed eater. I'm just tired. I get tired easy anyway. I get seizures and stuff. Anyway, check it out. This is the RYOBI Whisper weed eater right here, 40 volt horsepower brushless. This is a 6 amp battery right here, and man, it meets it, man. Because like I said, I was surprised. There's no way I would have thought it would cut that fast and that good compared to another electric weed eater I used before. This is nice right here. I was just like amazed how good this thing works, man. Of course, he don't got the guard. Most people take off the guard, and I did borrow it to make this video right here. But I was surprised, man. This crazy. This thing got some power, and it's not weak, man. It's like, it's up there. That's why I was like literally surprised how good it worked. I mean, I was amazed with it. Wow. Yeah, I'm still amazed. I was like, I can't believe it ran that good. It was crazy. You got your high-low right here switch. Anyway, check out the video where I do some cutting with it. You can see the power it's got. I mean, it's got some power, man. I was like literally amazed. Let me give you a close-up of some of the stuff right here right quick, and then we'll go on to the cutting part. This is it right here. This is your high and low switch. That's your trigger right there. Yeah, I'm hitting this when I turn it on. Here's the head right here. Maybe I'll clean it up and we'll see. I mean, I got it that dirty. Don't think I dirtied that much, but let me borrow that bad right there. So that's a 40 volt horsepower brushless RYOBI Whisper weed eater. Carbon fiber shaft. The handles are right. I don't know why he's got this for. I don't know if it's coming loose on them. I mean, it didn't come loose or nothing, so I don't know why he had a piece of wire on there, but I left it there. This is it right here. Here's the other side right here. Give you a close up right there. That's the model number. But this thing has got some power. Like I said, I was amazed because I'm used to running gas weed eaters. And I always say, well, I would never get a electric weed eater, man. But this thing might have changed my mind, man. This is crazy right here. Anyway, this is the battery right here. You push this right here to remove it. And you just pull up. When you pull up, it comes out. That's the back part where the battery goes in. And you put it side by side. That's the part that slides in there. But that is crazy. Like I said, I was amazed how good that thing ran, man. I mean, I thought I was gonna like, and then when I finished doing the first video, where I compared both weed eaters, I ended up finishing the rest of the yard with this one, because this one you don't gotta be cranking up and turn it on. I was amazed because I always said I would never get electric weed eater. I was just surprised how good that thing worked. This good, how much power this got actually. There it is right there. All right, let's show you the video where I was cutting the yard, and then we'll end the video. So I'm gonna weed eat this section right here and a couple other sections with the RYOBI. This is the RYOBI 40 volt horsepower weed eater. It's brushless carbon fiber I'm just gonna do a little bit of section before the rain starts here, and just to give you a look. This actually worked pretty good. I was amazed how good this thing worked actually, compared to. Like I said, I'll never buy an electric one because I don't believe they're as strong as the gas ones. But I ain't gonna lie, this sucker's got some power, man. It's crazy. I'm gonna weed a couple of spots and then either there'll be explanation about it, the product, before or after. I'll decide after I do this cutting. Yeah, I got that. That was kind of wacky because it's kind of hard to move around right there. I'll get this area right quick also. Alright, I got some more for you right here. Alright, that came out pretty good. So this thing cuts pretty good, man. Let me give you a couple more shots and then we'll go get it over with. Alrighty, we got this going, man. Okay, so I got the tree. I got all around the tree cut down. Looks nice. I got that area cut down. That looks nice. This area right here will come out pretty nice, man. Got that area. Alright, I got a little bit more. I'm gonna trim and I'm gonna call it quits. Looks like it might start raining pretty soon here. One thing about this part, I'm getting stickers all over me. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion about this RYOBI 6 amp 40 volt lithium. I mean, it's pretty good, man. I actually liked it. Never thought I'd like electric weed eater, but that one has some power. Of course, I didn't get too good there, but look, I got it along the fence line. I wasn't gonna do it, but it was doing so good that I went ahead and just got it all. Of course, neighbors, they don't do theirs. They just had someone come cut. Paid someone to cut that, and it was like freaking 8 feet high. But they left all this junk and it's knocking over to my side, and I gotta have trouble cutting it. But I was surprised I didn't get along there. I still gotta get that. But I was surprised how good this thing actually worked. What is that? The Whisper? RYOBI Whisper 40 HP Brushless RYOBI Whisper. Wow, that is crazy, man. I was surprised. I was like, no freaking way that thing works that good. You got your low speed right here, high speed, your trigger to go. There's your battery right there. You pull that and you can disconnect your battery. That's the battery right there. Where the battery connects. Pretty easy to connect the battery, just like you see me pull it out right there. Make sure you slide in the right way. Get your battery over here. Battery's in, man. That's crazy. I got stickers all over me. But I tell you one thing, man. It's crazy. It's humid out here. It looks like it might rain, but I don't know if it will. But I think it came out pretty good. That thing did pretty good. Okay, I got another video. You want to go watch that? Where I actually cut with the steel, the FS 56 RC weed eater, and then I did half of the sidewalk with this one right here with the RYOBI, and then the other half of the sidewalk I did with the steel weed eater. You can go watch that video. All right, one thing before we finish up here, I want to show you. This is how you can check your battery. You push right here. Look at that, it's almost dead. Running on 1 bar. Needs to be charged. See that? That's crazy, huh? Anyway, this is the head right here. I'll make a separate video. You can go watch that one. That'll be up there too. How to string this weed eater head. How to put string on the head. I got the links up here to some more of my videos. Subscribe. Leave a like. I appreciate it. Help my channel out by subscribing. Anyway, check out one of these videos up here if you want. I got a lot more up there.